how to turn on disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to turn on your disappearing messages, then first of all you need to open up your Messenger application, and then if you go and simply open up any one of that chat, then on the upper right corner you will have an icon. You can simply tap on that icon, and if you scroll down here you will have go to secret conversation. So you can simply tap on that, and you have to simply send that message. For example, I'll be sending these messages. So after sending the message on the silent conversation or the disappearing conversation, you can simply go to their profile, which is on the upper left, and here you can scroll down, and here you will have an option which says disappearing message. So you can simply tap on that. So you can simply tap on OK, and then you can simply choose an option. Like if you choose 5 seconds, then after sending your message, if the other person has opened that chat, then within 5 seconds your chat will be disappeared or deleted. So that's what disappearing message is. And for now I'll be choosing 10 seconds, and you can go back, and if the other person has opened this chat, then within 10 seconds, after seeing within 10 seconds, your chat will be deleted. So that's it. That's how you turn on the disappearing message. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.